before this episode starts, we just to say we're on the marathon of the Weird 28 Olympic Games. We have reached the length of the Nürburgring because that is our next race on the calendar, and it's the dangerous circuit on the calendar. It's the Nürburgring. Let's get into it in Germany. Hello, this is James, and welcome back to more Formula 1 2011. So yeah guys, we're back here, and next up is the Nürburgring. It's the dangerous circuit on the calendar. We're currently running in 10th level at the moment because we dropped down the last two races. At the engine blow last time we it. But after 9 rounds, it was furthest to lead from Hamilton, Massa, Webber, Rosberg, Button, Rubens, Berger and Kovalainen. In the Constructor Championship, we are currently still third. We're saving 26 from 20 more ahead of us. But we're gonna sit there. But let's get to the Nürburgring and see what we happen to do. Welcome to the Nürburgring, the dangerous circuit of the calendar for round 10 of the Formula 1 2011 World Championship. In this way, everyone will go around the Nürburgring around the 6th level of final with the last one was held in 2000, won by Mark Webber. It is a dangerous circuit on the calendar, isn't it? On pole is Vettel and Webber. We're on. 20 was an excellent 7, mate. While first was 10. Webber was 13, Vettel was 15. Alonso was only 17. Well, Alonso had to start back at the grid again for 10th time, and after that entry blower in Silverstone. Okay, it's been derailed for the last way in Britain. Let's see if we can change early. Follow the lights! And the German Grand Prix Nürburgring is underway. Block is gonna be, he's gonna, as we gonna, remember, I can't find a way to get, oh, go back, sexual, Saturn!
You've been given a black and white flag.
Okay.
After turn 2.
Okay, we're aiming towards turn 3, we go. Stage with the calendar.
Tills ahead of you.
As we head towards 5, so, yep, I'm gonna get to the end. Alright, so, this dangerous circuit is gonna be particularly, so, shut up you. Okay, after that great first lap, I'm now up into P7, so, and towards turn. I don't. Oh!
The rear wing on your car has suffered some damage.
Wait, what? Oh, there's a incident on the first lap. Something. Oh! Oh dear. Someone damaged my rear wing. I can't believe it. Okay, we're looking at Rosberg. Nico Rosberg. He's Germany. We're Spanish, okay? Can we go around there? Here we go. Oh, somebody's hitting me. I think that's Button. I'm getting too much down on my rear wing. Oh, we got hit by someone. Alright. Over there you go, look no.
Rosberg's pulling away from you by about 2 seconds a lap.
Thanks a lot, pit crew. I'll try and get Rosberg. Don't worry. Okay, pit stop time and wait.
Webber's outpacing you. He's slightly increased the gap.
Wait. Is that end yet?
We'll put on a fresh set of tyres and have you back on the track in no time.
Well, I don't know. Why is our engine overheating? All of the engine! And look like we're going to lead the way. Because we are done. Because we got damage engine. Because we don't want to get like in Silverstone. Because I was on lap 2 and was at the race. So we're leading the British Grand Prix. Oh, tell me Webber got me. He took the lead. I made the mistake at that corner. Get these two going. I think I need to get to the end of the time before the other guy got me. Okay, we're on the final lap now. I'm gonna continue the engine because I can't look. It looks like we played too late. We're just coming to the pit. We're gonna get a podium here. 1.1 away. 20. There's a great result for Lotus, and we're coming in third.
Position 3.
There's another third place podium for us in Germany. Oh, Peter actually. Chile had won. Oh my goodness. Chile has won a race. Oh my goodness. I think Nico Wobber had got a penalty. So we finished second. An absolute result for us.
Second place. Brilliant driving. Brilliant driving.
Well, there's no change to the top two. Webber has moved on to third after he not only for his pit stop. Massey dropped down to 4. Well, Trilly's on today. We're up into 9th place. And we're looking better than this. And the Trotters, we are still in third at the moment. Well, Lotus have moved up to a Mercedes. So, looking here, first is over to Sauber after that great result in Germany. No. So, it's been a great epic race for the German Grand Prix. Not another engine blower. But, that's the end of the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you in Hungary.